day. Welcome to Kimmer's Everything. We got the A500 Mini. Actually, I got it on Tuesday. It's been sitting here. I just took the wrapper off of here. Got it through Amazon in August, and it finally showed up. So it was kind of early, but I haven't had a chance to open it because I wanted to savor the moment. And I thought people like unboxings. Let's unbox some stuff and see what's inside it. I kind of already know because I've seen some videos. But this is mine, and I'm going to enjoy it. I want to document it. So you can see it comes in a very nice box. Retro games, the C64 Minis. Fantastic packaging, nice boxes, and they do a really nice job. And that's the way you should do things. Don't go cheap on this kind of stuff. Even though it's a box and you're going to probably pitch it out, I save them, put them on the shelf because it looks cool. Especially the C64 ones are very nice boxes. And let's see. I want to get this open without destroying it. Let me see. We got a knife? We got a knife here. We got a stabber. Let's see. Oh no. There we go. Okay. And oh yeah, there she is. Man, that's a beauty. I bought one of these when it came out and played it a ton, and eventually upgraded to a 1200. So I'm kind of excited about this. You can do all this through RetroPie or Amiibian or a Amiberry on a Raspberry Pi or a Tinkerboard. But I kind of like this. It's all done. You have to do any configuring, just plug it in and go basically. So let's open her up. It's got a nice weight to it. Plastic is very nice. The keys are beautiful. They are fake, they are fake, but very nice job. See, 2022 Retro Games Limited, model number, and there's a serial number. Of course, it has a little fake diskette port, so that's kind of nice. Very nice. It's absolutely beautiful. They do great jobs. I even like the little white or case-colored feet, so that's kind of nice. So this one's got a little smudge on it. Might just be from the coloring. So anyway, that's that piece. Let's put him over there. And it comes with a quick start guide. It's like pretty much everything you need to get started. And then we'll take out the top box. Like I said, they do a fantastic job on the packaging. And here's what I'm really excited about. This piece and this piece. I want to see if I can go buy another mouse. I'd love to have one of these just for work because it's very retro. The Amiga mouse is very iconic. Then get them out. Let's get them out. Let me get them out. Come on, baby. That's all that's in the box. So we'll take a look at the mouse first. I'm sure they'll make a fortune selling just the mice and the joysticks. Oh, very nice. Okay, here's the HDMI cable. Oh, look, it's the same color. Very nice. Here's the mousey. Oh, that's beautiful. Nice optical mouse. Button so-so. It's a nice size. Oh, just beautiful. This is why this costs 120 bucks. I think it's more now. But I think when I bought it was 120, something like that. Of course, the joypad. I usually just normally use the joystick or Atari 2600 joystick. But I have the Wicco. Oops, what's this? You got the USB. So I guess you don't get a USB power adapter. That's fine. There's the A500 joystick. Kind of like a CD. Very nice. Nice D-pad. Looks like it's all connected together, so not individual buttons. Menu home. Very nice weight to it. This actually feels quite like a Nintendo Sega not Sega, but a Nintendo Super Nintendo joystick quality. Very nice. Of course, USB. So that's the unboxing basically. Got all the cables you need. Power, mousey, which is fantastic. Very nice. Definitely worth the price. And color-coded HDMI port and the unit, which I think is probably about the same size as a Mini, but quite a bit wider, not as tall. It's got all the vents and everything. Joystick ports. Absolutely fantastic. This is brilliant. I love these guys for doing this. And of course the games, that's why you bought it. You want to play the old games. And you can put your own games on here, but I think this is a nice selection of games to get you started because it's a little bit of everything. I got Paradroid. Somebody's never heard. Quack, never heard of that. The Chaos Engine. Let's see. Pinball James, Worms, Zool, Another World. So, very, very nice. See, in WH Load. Load your own WH Load package games via USB. So that's pretty cool. So anyway, that's the C64, or not, the Amiga Mini, A500 Mini. Whew, I'm so used to saying the C64 Mini to say the A500 Mini, holding it in your hands. Very nice. Get yourself one of these. Not sure if there's a waiting list. I think I saw on the website they have another load of them you can buy. So pick one up. It's just fantastic. Don't scalp them. Just buy them and enjoy it, or give them as a gift. They're not that expensive. So anyway, hope you guys enjoy the video. That's you guys. Have a great day. Whee!